So, hello guys. Welcome back after 7 days. Ito na yung ating jackfruit. Ito yung ating mini nursery. Especially for jackfruit project. So, yung project natin is to produce in our latex-less jackfruits. So, ito siya. After 17 days of sprouting, ito na yung result niya. So, hopefully, his estimate is 20% yung namatay na seeds. As you can see, marami to sa ating project para mapuno natin yung interval ng niyog. Yan, so tulad nito, we have also moringa. These are the moringa seeds ating ginawa. Yan, medyo tanggalin lang natin. So this one are the babana or sour guyabano. We call it guyabano. So this is moringa and this is the guyabano. So hopefully after 3 months pwede na nating matry na mag-in-art tayo ng ating jackfruit. So things na gagawin natin is remove yung other sanga tulad nito. Yan, dapat isa lang yung sanga niya. Tanggalin natin para isang ano lang yung ano niya. So yan lang muna yung update natin guys. So we'll give this one a growth hormone after a month para naman mabilis yung pag ano ng dahon. Salamat.